Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade guys, and you have oil guys in your spark plugs, let's say you decided to change spark plugs or check your spark plug gaps, and you guys find quite a bit of oil on the spark plug, we'll explain what causes that. Stay with us guys, we're going to cover everything from start to finish. As you can see, we have the engine out, but you do not have to remove your engine to do that guys. Why we did it? Because we'll have more than 100 videos on that engine alone guys. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can guys. That's why we want to make so many videos on that engine, and being out of the vehicle we can show you with a great detail where everything is located, every bolt, and how to remove every component. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Our mission is to save you money guys, so take advantage of that. Let us explain now what is happening here. We have that engine, and we were about to start taking it apart guys, check spark plug gap, all that stuff, and we put the spark plug socket inside and we got it out, and check it out, it's full of oil. Okay, let's just pull it a little bit. You know, this oil guys on the socket, so that's not a good sign. Okay, but it's not too bad either. We'll explain what needs to be done to replace that. So we'll go ahead and remove the spark plug, and we'll show you guys, okay, how much oil he has on that spark plug. So if you guys remove the spark plug, all that oil is going to go in the cylinder. Later guys, when you put new spark plugs or your old one, the vehicle may not be able to start because the spark plugs will be covered with oil on the inside. So what you guys need to do, okay, if you want to check it from start to finish, we have the video. You will have to remove your valve cover guys. The valve cover, you have a gasket on the outside that prevents oil coming out of the engine, right? But on the modern vehicles, okay, the spark plugs are usually in the middle of the valve cover guys, and you have O-rings, gaskets right here around the spark plugs, and when those fail, you're going to fill up your engine spark plugs with oil guys. Okay, and we got everything loose here so we can show you, not waste your time, so you have an idea, okay, what is happening. So check it out now. Let's explain quick guys. This is your valve cover. This is your valve cover gasket on the outside, but part of the valve cover gasket are those little gaskets here for each of the spark plugs. Okay, and when those gaskets guys fail, okay, what happens? Oil guys will get in the spark plug hole. Okay, this is the gasket itself. Okay, let me focus here quick. Perfect, this is the gasket. You can see they turn kind of like really hard, almost like plastic, like not rubber. They don't seal very good, and as a result guys, you get oil in your spark plugs, which some people can think it's catastrophic. No, it's not. All we have to do guys, get a new valve cover gasket with the kit for the spark plugs. Make sure that you get that one. If you need to buy guys any of the parts, we'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where you can purchase parts from. So now guys, what else we need to do? Here now you need to get something to absorb all the oil, that get a rag or something and absorb all the oil. Probably some will still be left, okay, but you want to get as much as you can so you don't drip that in the cylinders guys. Okay, you want to avoid that, so go ahead, do that again. Wipe it as much as you can. Check out how much oil we got out of that hole. It's just unbelievable guys. And after you clean it as much as you can go ahead and remove your spark plug, inspect it, okay. Hopefully you don't drop too much oil inside the engine. Otherwise, if the engine doesn't run good after you put the spark plugs or it doesn't start, you may need to remove the spark plugs and clean them. We have a video how to clean spark plugs. You use a heating torch as well to heat them up. Okay, check out how much oil we have now on the thread as well, because all that was in the hole guys, right there. And you will want to clean your ignition coil on the inside as well. The ignition coil may have some oil on the inside. It really depends on how deep it is and how much oil you leaked out, but always inspect your coil. Okay, let me focus. Okay, right there, to make sure that you don't have coil, because the car may be misfiring when you have a wet spark plug guys. So that's all we need to do guys. You need to replace your valve cover gasket, and you will be ready to go. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.